Hello, homeowners and tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Gadget World. Today, we're taking cleaning to a whole new level with the BR151 Robot Vacuum and Amp Mop Combo. This intelligent cleaning marvel combines vacuuming and mopping functions to ensure your floors are not just clean, but sparkling. Join us in this review as we explore its strengths, features, and any potential drawbacks. Let's dive into the world of advanced home cleaning. Starting with design, the BR151 Robot Vacuum and Amp Mop Combo maintains a slim and elegant profile that seamlessly complements your home decor. Its build quality feels solid, making it a durable companion for your daily cleaning needs. Efficiency is the name of the game, and the BR151 excels at it. With advanced sensors and navigation technology, this cleaning wizard meticulously vacuums and mops your floors. It gracefully maneuvers around furniture, effectively cleans corners, and avoids obstacles with finesse, ensuring no spot is left unattended. No more aimless cleaning. Thanks to smart navigation and mapping capabilities, the BR151 learns your home's layout, making each cleaning session systematic and thorough. It effortlessly adapts to different floor types, from hardwood to carpets, for a consistent clean. Control is at your fingertips, literally. The BR151 comes with a user-friendly app that allows you to schedule cleaning sessions, customize modes, and even control it remotely. Plus, it integrates with voice assistants like Alexa, adding an extra layer of convenience to your smart home. Worry-free cleaning. The BR151 boasts an extended battery life, providing ample power for extended cleaning sessions. It also has a self-charging feature, ensuring it always returns to its base when it needs a recharge. Silent cleaning sessions are a reality with the BR151. Enjoy your work, relaxation, or sleep without the disruption of noisy cleaning. This combo marvel not only vacuums but also mops, making it an all-in-one cleaning solution for your home. Say goodbye to separate cleaning routines. In conclusion, the BR151 Robot Vacuum and Amp Mop Combo is a game-changer for home cleaning. With its efficient cleaning performance, smart navigation, app-based control, voice integration, and the added benefit of mopping, it's a versatile and valuable addition to your household. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, or spills, this combo has you covered. If you found this review informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget World for more comprehensive tech reviews and home automation content. Let us know in the comments if you've experienced the BR151 or if you're considering it for your home. Until the next cleaning session, keep embracing the world of innovation and smart living.